Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you from near or far. Like I said before, these videos are going to be different. I'm starting them at home and ending them at home. Yeah, it's cold. So I got to wear my long johns. That's the best thing for her. I love my long johns. But grab a chair on the day the Lord has made. Sit back and enjoy. I'm getting ready to tote stuff out. I'll show you. I got my CPAP and my computer with me right now. I get my food and my clothes together. Yes, I need to clean the windshield off. I got to crank it up and like the windshield's got ice all over it. Frost this morning. Now that's my breakfast this morning. These are Hot Pockets. I think they're sausage, egg, and cheese. They're really good. Got in the van. I'm heading to the DC. I forgot to do this when I first got in the van, but I'm about to go there and see what they got for me this week. And we're rebidding this week. We get to know what we got. We have to rebid it each year. I made it back to the DC. Getting ready to go in here and get either get bills. Well, I gotta find out what truck I'm in, and then get my bills. So I'll be back in a minute. Truck, but it's not parked in the spot it's supposed to be parked in. I don't like that, but I gotta hurry up and get started putting stuff on the truck. Everything I put on the truck just then, I'm about to put up in either cabinets or refrigerator. I don't put that laptop up nowhere on top, anywhere like on top of the bed or anything up on top bunk, because I've had one to fall off, my other laptop, and I had to have it worked on. And that's what I'm going to cook one night for supper. Dirty rice. I'm going to put some sausage in it and some kielbasa sausage. I love this stuff. Like I said before, you never know what you're going to do when you come in here to Walmart. Today, I had to go for a drug test. I just got back. They got me for a random. And I can't say, will I do it later? No, it's an automatic. If you turn it down, that's your job. That's an automatic termination. So, that's what any company is like that. If you turn out a drug test, they'll fire you. I got my pre-trip done. I'm about to head in and get me some ice, get me some water, bottles of water, and I'm about to get on the road. Head on up to York, get this day started. Loaded and ready to roll to my first stop in York. and then Bowling Springs. Well, Gaffney, then Bowling Springs, then Spartanburg. Then I'm going to end up in Union. Whew, I got to get on the ball. I'm getting ready to leave this stop. I've been here for a little bit. It's kind of took a little bit. I didn't want to be here this long. Not for like 7 pallets. I walked around because nobody opened the door, and then they come back there and they act like they didn't want to unload me. They just walking around. That's what you got to deal with. I have arrived at my third stop here in Bowling Springs, South Carolina. It's a pretty decent ride over here. Not too bad. A lot of construction. A lot of construction on 85. Man, it's dark back here. That's the only bad thing about this day. Doing, you know, this is just aggravating. I got there and I had to do a drug test, which I understand. That's part of my job. I have to do a random drug test. But this throws the day off, you know. I'm getting ready to leave this stop. Oh, this has been one of those days. When's it going to end? Got here and 3 pallets were turned over. That's 5 pallets on this whole trailer. 1 at the first store, 2 at the second store, and 3 here. I mean, I strap them. It's just they put stuff in the wrong spot and they turn over. They get the pallet gets. They put heavy stuff on top of the light stuff. It don't make no sense. Oh my goodness, I'm here at my last and final stop for the day. I only got an hour left. Whew. It is cold out here. I dropped my keys. The wind's been really blowing. You can tell something's coming in. Whew. And this is what I am cooking for supper tonight. I just, this as far as I made it. Well, let me say this. I did get able to make it to a truck stop. But I'm going to try something to see if it works. This is going to be a breakfast burger. I'm gonna eat two burgers. That's sausage and bacon, and that's hash brown. My eggs that I'm frying. Got my hamburgers done. Got my bacon and my hash browns done. And got my eggs up there frying. I'm fixing to build these burgers in a minute. I'm about ready to build my burgers. Put mustard on it, and that's already got the egg and a piece hamburger meat on it. Put me some sausage on there and bacon. I got my bacon on there. 3 pieces. And my hash brown. And top it off. I gotta admit, it's a little weird at first when you take a bite in it, but it's really good. I mean, that is so good. I wouldn't think egg and mustard would go together, but it does. Which I know sausage and mustard goes together, and bacon. I didn't know bacon. Well, yeah, bacon cheeseburger. That's it. That thing, I mean, this thing looks good. This is good. This is where I stayed at tonight. Where I'm at is a TA. I'm going to show you what it's doing up here. It's cold. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. You see it up here. Right here where the building connects to the pavement. I was going to show you the showers in here too, though. Here at the TA. It is snowing. It's been snowing about all day. Trash cans got snow all over it. I'll be honest with you, the way this feels right here, it feels like I'm back up north over the road. It's snowing, and it does this over the road. You know, when you up north over the road, that's what it feels. And I'm gonna say this: the driver's lounge is upstairs. You go up there, you get pool tables and TVs. You can watch the news, or they have a movie on. The shower I got, shower 3, and 3, 1, 2, 7. Oh, this looks a little bit homey right here. And this one's got the fan on. This is a pretty good looking shower. Right, they like the Pilot. You still got our Loves, I'm sorry, and the Pilot. They got the soap, which I don't ever use. I bring my own. Yeah, I'm using this camera this week. I thought I'd use my DJI from now on. I done got my shower, about ready to go back out to the truck and call it a night. I seen this before. This caught my attention. It has walking trails and fitness room. In South Carolina, Columbia, or is it? Yeah, Petro in Columbia has one. The TA here in Manning, it has a bing bag toss and an indoor fitness. That's cool right there. I don't know if you can see it, but boy, it is snowing down. My goodness, it is coming down. I think it's snowing at the house, but I think my wife said it kind of slacked off a little bit. Oh, it's snowing really good. Okay, it's snowing so good, it's just sticking to the pavement. Let's see if I can see my footprints. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's slippery, too. Oh, my goodness. Look at this parking lot. I was walking across the parking lot, looking out across to the highway. There's nobody out there. There's like maybe one or two trucks going by, and they're going by really slow with their lights on, flashers on. That's how bad it's snowing. They say down here it's supposed to get 7 to 8 inches. It's probably on the way to that. And I think that's going to do it for this one. I got this light right here. It's what my wife got me for Christmas. I love it. It's bright too. Boy, this thing is bright. Ooh, I can barely see. You can't use that to your face. You have to. I can't get the thing to cut down. There we go. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, leave me some feedback in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. With all that said, be safe, God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one. And remember to let go and let God. Bye now.